What's going on, everyone? It's K-Dub here with the latest news and headlines from dcforecasts.com. If we have a look at what's going on today, we see that Bitcoin has dropped a little bit. It's sitting just below the $6,500 mark. We have Bitcoin Cash at $441 and Ethereum sitting almost even right around $200. Now, when it comes to the actual volume of Bitcoin, it rose from 3.2 billion to 7 billion at its peak, but has since dropped to $4 billion. So over the past few days, Bitcoin has shown a 25% increase in its daily trading volume, which can be certainly considered as a positive indicator for the strong short-term trend of the cryptocurrency. Currently, the mid-term price trend of Bitcoin is estimated between 6,000 and 7,000, with the 6,000 margin now being the major support line. So based on the recent stability from Bitcoin, it hasn't fallen below the $6,000 mark for months, which is why it's become more challenging for bears to bring down the value of Bitcoin in short term. According to one cryptocurrency trader named Eric Thies, it's hard to find an asset such as Bitcoin that tests a major support level more than 20 times. As he said, "My core reason on Bitcoin bullishness is simple. Find me anywhere in the market where the floor held 20 plus times on a weekly chart, only to break the downside afterward. You'll be looking for a while." The only way that it happens on Bitcoin would be from an enormous black swan event, potentially something related to Tether or, who knows. So another analyst known as the alias Satoshi Flipper said that the $5,800 price of Bitcoin was the bottom, as you can see right here, seeing lots of accounts starting to come to their senses. Some will catch her sooner than others, but eventually someone will realize that $5,800 or the Bitcoin $1 billion market cap was the correct bear market bottom, something I've told everyone since July. So we'll see what the future holds, but assuming the recent movements, it does look quite bright for Bitcoin. Now let's talk about another dominant cryptocurrency, XRP, or I guess we should talk about Ripple first. So MoneyNet Int, which is a UK-based provider of foreign exchange services, has recently joined Ripple's enterprise blockchain solution, RippleNet. The recent addition to the RippleNet blockchain has been officially unveiled as of Tuesday. The payments platform provides cross-border money transfers as well as currency exchange services. It recently announced that it has completed the integration phase with Ripple and now has fully deployed the blockchain solution with payments received from RippleNet members in other locations. Meanwhile, the RippleNet blockchain network has over 100 members, including banks, payment providers, and remittance operators all around the world, mostly because of its ability to facilitate payments in Israel's fiat currency. According to the account management at Ripple, Nadim Ladki, their ability to now facilitate payouts in Israeli new shekel in addition to euros on behalf of other RippleNet members is another big step in expanding the overall network. By leveraging Ripple's blockchain technology, MoneyNet Int will now be able to simplify and reduce the FX conversion rates for their customers, increase the speed of settlement, and offer services to new markets that would otherwise have been too difficult or too costly to reach in the past. Now, my favorite thing, adoption. Let's talk about world-famous Ticketmaster has partnered with Upgraded, which is a blockchain-based live events company. So Ticketmaster, on the other hand, is the world's most popular and biggest live entertainment business. I'm sure you've all heard of it. So also, very important, the company hopes that using blockchain technology will protect all the clients from fraud, since the current system is based on printed or PDF-based tickets. So Upgraded will help Ticketmaster to digitize the traditional tickets by transferring them into interactive units that will have higher security level with encrypted barcodes. The founder of Upgraded expressed his excitement and satisfaction for the collaboration with Ticketmaster, saying that this is the perfect time and platform to promote what blockchain can do for thousands of fans. Finally, and I mean, here you guys go, another Malta story. So we have ZebPay officially acquiring a new name and registering their office in Malta. So as it turns out, the unfriendly regulatory climate in India wasn't so bad after all for ZebPay. As we know, Malta is the best place for all crypto ventures, business, and crypto enthusiasts. We've seen Binance setting up offices over there as well. And this is exactly why ZebPay decided to do the same thing. By registering in Malta, ZebPay will serve more than just the citizens and residents of the island, but also will provide services for all European countries. According to their website, ZebPay lists all of the countries whose residents and citizens are eligible to use the exchange, and this includes many of the major EU countries, such as France, Italy, Ireland, Denmark, and Sweden, and their citizens can use the services provided by ZebPay. ZebPay is now undergoing a new name change as well, called All In Can. Not too sure what that means, but that's their new name. Last month, the exchange shut down all operations in India because of the ban by the Reserve Bank of India. At the time, ZebPay was operating more than 3 years and at that time managed to acquire more than 3 million users. But on the bright side, Malta is the safe haven for crypto moving forward. And that being said, I want to say thank you so much again for joining me on today's news and headlines brought to you by dcforecast.com. My name is K-Dub. Until next time, stay crypto and peace out.